Symmetry. Nature provides many beautiful examples such as wings of butterfly and a peacock or the petals of a flower. Symmetric objects have parts that are congruent, which you can see in the figure. A line which divides an object into two equal halves such that one half is the mirror image of the other is called the line of symmetry. Exercise 14.1. Question number 1. Copy the figures with punched holes and find the axis of symmetry for the following. A. Copy this figure. Solution. Draw the lines or axis of symmetry through which, if we fold the figure, both the parts will match or coincide. How many axes we are going to get? 2. B. Solution. Take the copy of this figure. Draw axis of symmetry. C. Solution. Take the copy of this figure. How many lines of symmetry we are going to get? Only one. D. Solution. Take the copy of this figure. Yes, how many axes or lines of symmetry we are going to get? Only one. Next one. E. Solution. Take the copy of this figure. Draw the axis of symmetry or lines of symmetry. How many axes we are going to get? Four. Let us go to next one. F. Solution. Take copy of this figure. Draw line or lines of symmetry. Yes. For this figure, how many lines of symmetry we can draw? Only one. Next figure. G. Solution. Take the copy of this figure. Draw the line or lines of symmetry. Only one line we are going to get. H. Solution. Take the copy of this figure. Draw the line or axis of symmetry. How many we are going to get? Only 1. Next figure I. Solution. Take the copy of this figure. Draw the line of symmetry. J. Solution. Take the copy of this figure. Draw the lines or axis of symmetry. How many we can draw? 2. K. Solution. Take the copy of this figure. How many lines of symmetry we can draw? 4. Horizontally, vertically, diagonally. Next, L. Solution. Second question. Given the lines of symmetry, find the other whole. A. Solution. B. Solution. C. Solution. D. Solution. E. Solution. Question number 3. In the following figures, the mirror line, that is, the line of symmetry, is given as a dotted line. Compute each figure performing reflection in the dotted mirror line. You might perhaps place a mirror along the dotted line and look into the mirror for the image. Are you able to recall the name of the figure you complete? A. Solution. It will be a square. B. You can get the mirror image of other part. So whatever figure you are going to get, it will be a triangle. C. Yes, it will be a rhombus. D. What type of figure you are going to get? It will be a circle. E. What type of figure you are going to get? It will be a pentagon. F. It will be an octagon. The following figures have more than one line of symmetry. Such figures are said to have multiple lines of symmetry. Question number 4. Identify multiple lines of symmetry, if any, in each of the following figures. Solution. Figure A. The given figure has 3 lines of symmetry, hence it has multiple lines of symmetry. Figure B. The given figure has 2 lines of symmetry, hence it has multiple lines of symmetry. Figure C. How many lines of symmetry you can find? 3. So, the given figure has 3 lines of symmetry, hence it has multiple lines of symmetry. Figure D. The given figure has 2 lines of symmetry, hence it has multiple lines of symmetry. Figure E. The given figure has 4 lines of symmetry, hence it has multiple lines of symmetry. The given figure has only one line of symmetry. Z. The given figure has 4 lines of symmetry, hence it has multiple lines of symmetry. Figure H. The given figure has 6 lines of symmetry, hence it has multiple lines of symmetry. Question number 5. Copy the figure given here. Take any one diagonal as a line of symmetry and shade a few more squares to make the figure symmetric about a diagonal. Is there more than one way to do that? Will the figure be symmetric about both the diagonals? Solution. Yes, the figure is symmetric about both the diagonals. There is more than one way so as to make the figure symmetric about a diagonal, as we can choose any one of its 2 diagonals, which we can find in the figure. Question number 6. Copy the diagram and complete each shape to be symmetric about the mirror lines. Figure A. Solution. Yes, we can complete the figure like this. Figure B. Take the copy of that figure and complete the figure to make symmetric. Figure C. Copy the diagram and complete the shape to make it symmetric. Figure D. Copy the diagram and complete the figure to make it symmetric. Question number 7. State the number of lines of symmetry for the following figures. A. An equilateral triangle. B. An isosceles triangle. C. A scalene triangle. D. A square. E. A rectangle. F. A rhombus. G. A parallelogram. H. A quadrilateral. I. A regular hexagon. J. A circle. Solution. An equilateral triangle has 3 lines of symmetry, which we can see in the figure. An isosceles triangle has 1 line of symmetry. A scalene triangle has 0 lines of symmetry, means no lines of symmetry. A square has 4 lines of symmetry. A rectangle has 2 lines of symmetry. A rhombus has 2 lines of symmetry. A parallelogram has no lines of symmetry. A quadrilateral has 0 lines of symmetry, means no lines of symmetry. A regular hexagon has 6 lines of symmetry. A circle has infinite number of lines of symmetry. It is difficult to show in the figure, just you should imagine. Question number 8. What letters of the English alphabet have reflectional symmetry? That is, symmetry related to mirror reflection. About A vertical mirror, B a horizontal mirror, C both horizontal and vertical mirrors. Solution. A H I M O T U V W X Y are the letters having a reflectional symmetry about a vertical mirror, which you can see below. B C D E H I K O X are the letters having a reflectional symmetry about a horizontal mirror. B C D E H I K O X. C H I O X are the letters having a reflectional symmetry about both the vertical mirror and the horizontal mirror. Question number 9. Give 3 examples of shapes with no line of symmetry. A scalene triangle, a parallelogram, and a trapezium do not have any line of symmetry. Question number 10. What other name can you give to the line of symmetry of A. an isosceles triangle, B. a circle? Answer. A. An isosceles triangle has only one line of symmetry. The median and also altitude of an isosceles triangle is the line of symmetry. There are infinite lines of symmetry in a circle. Each line of symmetry is the diameter of this circle.